Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by forcing the game to use your dedicated GPU and eliminating power limits. Open Windows Graphics Settings or your GPU control panel and assign Valorant to the high-performance GPU. Once done, switch your Windows power plan to high performance and change GPU power management to prefer maximum performance. Make sure Valorant runs in full screen exclusive so the GPU isn't penalized by compositors. If your system still picks the iGPU, disable it in BIOS or Device Manager. That guarantees the discrete card is used. You next optimize driver and control panel settings to let the GPU run flat out. Update to the latest GPU drivers and perform a clean install when necessary. In NVIDIA or AMD program settings for Valorant, set power management to prefer maximum performance, low latency to ultra or equivalent, and enable threaded optimization so the driver parallelizes CPU work. Also set preferred refresh rate to highest available. These changes reduce driver-induced limits and let the GPU sustain higher utilization during gameplay. You finish by removing in-game caps and checking for CPU bottlenecks. Disable VSync and set the frame cap to unlimited or match your monitor's HC. Use 100% render scale for accurate load. Monitor GPU and CPU usage and temperatures. If the CPU is pegged, raise Valorant's process priority to high and close background apps. If GPU still underutilized, look for thermal throttling, BIOS power limits, or overlay conflicts. As a last troubleshooting tip, do a driver clean install and test again. That fixes stubborn driver-level constraints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.